Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a test call in Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture. Click the three dots next to it. This opens a menu. From this menu, select Settings. Now you are in the Settings window. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of options. Click on Devices. This section controls your microphone, speakers, and camera. Here, I want to mention that I am signed in with a personal account, like an Outlook.com or Gmail.com account. Because of this, I do not have the option to make a test call. This feature is only available for work or school accounts. If you are signed in with a company email or school account, you will see a button under the Audio Devices section called Make a Test Call. You can click this button to start a test call. When you click Make a Test Call, an automated bot called Teams Echo will guide you. You will hear a beep. After the beep, you should record a short message. When you finish, the bot will play your message back to you. This lets you check the quality of your microphone and speakers. Thanks for watching.